In this exercise, I'll show you how to merge two streams. First, let's take a look at the orders UK stream. Go ahead and run this push query. Scroll down and expand a record. You'll notice that this record is from the UK. Let's go back up and change our query to query the orders US stream. Go ahead and run that query, and scroll down to expand another record. You'll see that record is from the US. The next thing that we'll do is we'll merge together the orders UK and the orders US streams. We'll name this orders combined. Run the query. To complete our merge, we'll insert records from the orders UK stream into orders combined. Go ahead and run the query. Now let's move over to the Flow tab. You'll see that both Orders UK and Orders US flow in to create the Orders Combined stream. Click on the Orders Combined stream, and on the right-hand side, you'll see a list of records. You'll see that there's a record from the UK and a record from the US. And with that, we're done merging streams.